This time on building terminology, the Valley Creeper Rafter. So the Valley Creeper Rafter is a rafter connecting a ridge down to a valley. So we generally don't end up with too many valley creepers, but basically they run from our valley board up to our ridge. So they're similar to our jack or our hip creepers, where they ran from the plate to the hip. The valley creepers, they run from the valley up to the actual ridge.
If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can also follow me on Facebook.